Mommy?
This one, what is this?
Oh.
No, look at this one. What is that? No. Who said that? It's a, what is that?
A bird.
Good job. How about this one?
Duck.
It's a peacock.
Peacock.
This one. Ostrich. Ostrich have a long neck. And there's a huge.
Maya. Yeah.
Look at this one. What is this? A squirrel.
Maya.
Look, squirrel. Say it's squirrel. This one. What is this? Good job. How about this one?
Sheep.
No, it's camel.
Camel.
But this one?
Turtle.
Good job, tortoise. This one?
Zebra.
Good job.
Zebra. Mommy.
This one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. How about this one?
Shark.
Shark. This one?
Rabbit.
This one? What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. This one?
Whale.
Whale. This one?
Hippo.
Yeah, hippo. This one? Penguin. This one? It's a dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
This one?
Monkey.
No, it's not a monkey.
Monkey.
What is that?
Gorilla.
Good job, gorilla. This one, what is this?
Alligator.
Alligator or? It's a crocodile.
Crocodile.
This one?
Jellyfish.
This one? A parrot.
Parrot.
This one? Leopard.
Leopard.
This one? Rhinoceros. This one? Lobster.
Lobster.
How about this one?
Crab.
Good job. This one? Octopus.
Octopus.
This one?
Wolf.
Wolf. Good job. This one? It's a koala.
Koala.
This one?
Eagle.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
This one?
Cat.
Alpaca. Alpaca.
Alpaca.
This one?
Seahorse.
Good job. How about this one? What's that? Oh,
Dinosaur.
dinosaur. What is that?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. This one? Eagle.
Eagle.
This one?
Whale.
A snail. Good job.
Yay. I want to watch TV.